Do you know how to clean your rugs? The correct sanitation of these accessories is essential to preserve and prolong their durability and beauty. Cleaning them is also important for the health of people and the balance of the environment. The good news is that cleaning your rugs doesn't require too much effort. With just a few products that you have at home, you can keep everything clean and save some time in your routine. Let's see. Cornmeal and borax. We have a video about the different uses of borax on the channel. Did you watch it? Do you want to see why these two ingredients are perfect for cleaning rugs? Borax is a potent cleaning product, while cornmeal eliminates bad smells and helps clean stains and dirt. Nice, isn't it? Combine 2 parts of cornmeal to 1 part of borax and mix well. Spray over your rug. Let it act for an hour to an hour and a half, then vacuum your rug. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Cinnamon, clove, and alcohol. Did you know that alcohol is one of the best cleaning agents? Cinnamon and cloves have antifungal properties and give a nice aroma to your carpets and rugs. For this recipe, you will need 3.4 ounces rubbing alcohol, 2 cinnamon sticks, 10 cloves, 1.7 ounces water. Boil the cinnamon sticks and cloves in the water and wait for it to cool down. Combine the infusion, without straining it, with the alcohol in a spray bottle and let it act overnight. After 24 hours, you can use your mixture. Spray it over your rugs and let it air dry. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. This recipe is good if your rug is stained. Make a paste using baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and apply it over the stains. Let the mixture act for a few minutes. Then remove with a paper towel or a white dry cloth. Don't rub it or the stain will spread to other places. Don't use colored papers or newspapers as they release paint and can worsen the situation. Did you like these tips? Try them and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.